Welcome to this training video on mastering information flow in academic communication. Today, we'll explore how to organize ideas logically to enhance your teaching effectiveness. This skill is crucial for helping students grasp complex topics more easily. Information flow refers to the logical progression of ideas in a presentation or lecture. It helps guide students through complex topics, building their understanding in a step-by-step manner. A strong information flow ensures that students can follow the lesson naturally. This leads to better retention of the material being taught. Clear organization is the foundation of effective teaching. In academic settings, clear information flow is vital for conveying complex ideas. Lectures often involve intricate material, and students rely on instructors to navigate these complexities. Effective information flow highlights main points and creates connections between ideas. It also makes presentations more engaging for students. ITAs can leverage this to enhance their teaching impact.
Chronological order is a common pattern in academic English, useful for explaining events or processes. This method involves presenting information in a step-by-step sequence. For example, a biology lecture on cell division would follow the stages as they occur. This approach helps students understand the temporal progression of events. It's particularly effective for subjects involving historical developments.
The cause and effect pattern is ideal for showing relationships between events or concepts. It helps students understand why something happens as a result of other factors. For instance, a presentation on climate change's impact on agriculture might explain how increased temperatures lead to crop challenges. This method clarifies the interplay between different elements. It's a powerful tool for illustrating complex interdependencies. The problem and solution pattern introduces a challenge or question, followed by possible solutions. This approach is common in fields like public health, where issues are presented with research-based solutions. It encourages critical thinking and problem-solving among students. By understanding both the problem and the solution, students gain a comprehensive view. This pattern is effective for engaging students in active learning.
The general to specific structure begins with a broad overview before narrowing down to detailed information. It helps students grasp broad concepts before delving into specifics. For example, a physics lecture might start with an overview of energy forms, then focus on kinetic and potential energy. This method aids in building a solid foundational understanding. It's particularly useful for subjects that require a layered approach. In conclusion, mastering information flow is key to making academic content accessible and engaging. ITAs should choose an organizational pattern that suits their topic and audience needs. Clear organization aids in student understanding and retention. By applying these principles, ITAs can significantly enhance their teaching effectiveness. Remember, a well-structured lesson is a powerful tool for learning.
Thank you for watching this training video on information flow. We hope you found the insights and tips valuable for your teaching journey. Best of luck in your efforts to educate and inspire.